Khalil is really talking to Mike, so he's actually on the other line. Wow, you did it, Khalil. You talked to Daddy. Oh, you love Daddy. Mike, she's taking it really seriously. I can barely hear you, babe. Here, I'll put you on speaker. Okay, you're on speaker now. Yeah, she was really focused on you, babe. I know, she was answering your questions about the animal sounds. She looks like a little grown-up. Say bye. Tell Daddy bye, Khalil. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy.
And here's sister.
Here, let's see what Ari does. Mike, are you there? Okay. Oh, hi, Daddy. Hi. Say hi to Daddy. Uh-oh. She might not do it. Say hello. Hello. Hello, Daddy. No, she's not interested. Hi, Dad. You did a good job.
Can you hear Daddy? Turn around. Listen. Tell Daddy about the dog. Tell Daddy.